Raypak Crosswind Pool and Spa Electric Pump may be small in size, but it makes up for it in power. This 61,000 BTU electric heat pump is among some of the quietest pool equipment on the market, being whisper quiet even. You will forget it's there, allowing the pool and spa owner to enjoy a day in the water blissfully without having to hear noisy equipment running in the background. The Raypak Crosswind's compact size makes installation a breeze, so it can be installed outdoors to fit any pool or spa equipment pad setup. Raypak's cutting-edge features the Crosswind heat and cool pump feature and easy-to-read, user-friendly LCD digital display giving you all the control. The Raypak Crosswind 61 Kelvin BTU heat-cool heat pump also has a spiral titanium heat exchanger to transfer heat a lot quicker and more efficiently to the water in your pool or spa. The Raypak Crosswind can also cool your pool to a comfortable temperature during those scorching summer days. The heat and cool features allow you to enjoy your pool any time of the year, all year long. Inverter technology. The cutting-edge technology Raypak has engineered for this heat and the cool pump makes it more energy and cost-efficient than any of its competitors. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Heating and cooling electric pool heat pump. Number 2. LCD digital control. Number 3. Inverter compressor coupled with a low-speed fan motor for a serene pool and spa environment. Number 4. Crosswind's inverter technology intelligently adjusts your pool or spa temperature based on heating demand, instead of shutting off when your precise temperature is reached. The Crosswind will automatically shift into maintenance mode. By doing so, it's able to maintain the set temperature more efficiently and quietly. The Raypak heater maintains by adding small increments of heat to keep it at the desired level, using less power than costing less money and energy, and so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.